Are you a healer? Like pranic healing, Reiki healing, energy healing, or are you a hypnotherapist, NLP practitioner, or are you a doctor, a psychologist, or doing life coaching, or are you a acupuncturist or any kind of other health fitness work? If you are there, you might have already received many times cases where the clients would have come to you and they had certain problems like depression, negative thoughts, anxiety, fear and phobias, negative pattern, belief, and maybe different kind of emotional problem or some kind of pain. I'm sure you got this kind of cases. Now when you get this kind of cases, you might have used your technique, whichever you are using right now. It might have taken few sessions, 10 sessions, 5 sessions or 8 sessions, and still the person come back with the problem. Now I have a question for you. Imagine if you have a technique, a powerful technique, within a few minutes, conversationally, you can remove the mental problems permanently. Will it help you? Definitely it will help you. So my friend, if you are looking for that kind of problem to solve quickly and easily and make more money, you are at the right place. My friend, my name is Pradeep Agarwal and I am using hypnosis and NLP for almost 52 years. I started learning hypnosis in 1971 and then started teaching. And now I work with the top level sportsmen all over the world. Now, this technique which I am calling now is called Hidden Resource Activation. It is my trademark and it's the world's fastest technique. Just 5 minutes technique to heal most of the emotional problems quickly and easily. And I have done it number of times before. Now my friend, this technique is an advanced version of hypnosis and NLP. Now how it has come, let me tell you. Now when I work with the sportsmen, I have worked with the top level sportsmen for almost 30 years now. Now when I work with the sportsmen, when I work to them when they are playing a tournament or when they are playing a competition, sometimes suddenly something comes up in their mind. Sometimes a fear, sometimes an anxiety, sometimes fear of failure, and suddenly they call me wherever they are playing in other country or other cities, they call me and they don't have much time to do anything. So I have only 2 and 3 minutes to remove that problem completely. Remove that problem completely so that they win the match or win the tournament. Now, with my experience of NLP and hypnosis, this technique has started working when I started working with them, and I have to work with them, and most of the time, not the most, all the time, I have done this and removed that problem, and they played very well and they won the tournament also. Now this technique has come from working with a lot of sports people, and then it's come from one-on-one sessions, therapy sessions with my clients. Now I never used to do one-on-one session with the normal client, normal people. I was used to work only with the sportsmen. But after the lockdown, you know what happened? We got to get a lot of cases where people have a depression, anxiety and thing. And that process, this technique has developed with my thousands of patients and healing them. Now this technique is so powerful or so quick. I have used this technique, you won't believe. In the flights, I removed the fear of flying. In the train, in the bar, in the parties, and where I went there. Now I'm a hypnotist and I'm doing lot of videos are there on YouTube. Everybody knows me that I'm a hypnotist and mind coach. They come and talk to me during the parties. Sir, can you help me? Now people are having a party, they are having a drink, they are having a music going on. In those places, I use this technique, and within a few minutes, I was able to heal them completely and permanently. So my friend, this technique is so powerful. It's called Hidden Resource Activation, which is my trademark. And this technique, initially I decided not to teach. I wanted to keep it to myself because I don't want any competition. Frankly speaking, no competition. Now in this technique, I normally charge 3 sessions. I do 3 sessions to heal. Normally the work is done in the first session, but within the 3 seconds I charge, because you know why? If they don't pay you that much money, I charge 30,000 plus GST right now at the time of recording this video. And if I do in 1 session, nobody will pay. So I charge 3 sessions where I teach them hidden resource activation. Also they can use them personally. Now this technique is so powerful. It is beyond hypnosis and NLP. It is conversational, no trance required, and it is so fast. you can do it within a minutes. So this technique is so powerful, my friend. Now it has come from my personal experience and I decided not to teach it. But I have lot of, my students all over the world, and they used to call me, sir, can you teach me, can you teach me? Initially I decided not to teach. Then one day I thought, I am now 66-year-old. I want this thing to go to everybody. So I decided to teach my 3-step formula and how we do it. I taught them. And in the first day, in the morning of the workshop, the 3 full day workshop. It's an offline workshop, physical workshop, in-person workshop. It is not a workshop that can be done and learned on Zoom. No, it cannot be done. It is a physical workshop. And in this workshop, in the first day itself, everybody was able to remove before lunch their negative memories, and they were able to heal others before lunch and the end of the first day. Those are the healer. Mostly people who came was a healer. And they went back in the evening after 6 o'clock. They called their clients on the Zoom or WhatsApp or call, and they were able to heal them completely over telephone and Zoom. Now this technique is so powerful, my friend. Now this technique has such a powerful thing which I have started doing it, and now first of all, when this technique developed, I started using on myself. There is a number of things I have done it which I will tell you during my workshop. Now this workshop, initially the first thing which I did on myself was to change my belief. I instantly changed my belief. I'm talking to you in English right now, and you might have seen my videos, more than 2,000 videos, mostly are in English. So people have wanted me to do this workshop in Hindi, my friend, in Hindi. And I was not fluent in Hindi. So I programmed my mind and changed my belief, and I have conducted 4 workshops. The 5th is going to happen very soon. In Hindi, fluent Hindi. And now, because I live in Hyderabad, not most of the people, they don't know Hindi. For that purpose, I am conducting this workshop now, where in Hyderabad, it's a 3 full day workshop, morning 9 to evening 6. Practical workshop where you will learn by doing it. And after 3-day workshop, you will be certified as a licensed practitioner of hidden resource activation, which is my trademark, which only I can teach. Now, this 3 full day workshop, morning 9 to 6, I will give you a demo, then explain to you why I did, and then you will be practicing on each other. It is a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. If you don't practice, you will not learn it, and you will not get a certificate also. So this is a very powerful workshop where you learn by doing it. There is no trance. You can do it anytime, anywhere, fly, train, in the bar if you want, and the parties. And now I will teach you in this workshop how to get customers also. Now this technique is so powerful. Let me tell you how I have used on others. Now, normally before this HRA technique, I was never used to heal people who come with a depression. Now, after lockdown, one lady came, maybe 55 or 60 years age. She had a severe depression because her husband died during the COVID. She came crying, and then I used this technique on the first day. In the first session, 90% of depression was gone, and she went very happily. She came crying, tears were there, and when she went very happily. I did 3 sessions for her, and she has left the medicines. She had a problem with the night sleep, that is also gone, stopped medicine completely, and she is living a very happy life right now. I use this with the sports person. They have a mental block, so I remove them quickly and easily. I am able to help a sports person to win tournaments because all these things are there. The problems are in your subconscious mind. Now, what is hidden resource activation? Let me explain to you and how it works. Now, we all know that we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind. Now, subconscious mind have all the resources what we need, but we don't know how to use it. Like, you have a mobile with you, I have a mobile with me. Now, we all use mobile, but the mobile company has given us so many powerful, features in the mobile and facilities in the mobile, but we don't know how to use it. I use only 1 or 2%, like sending messages, making a call, or you're taking a photograph, then sending it, all this. But they have a lot of things. That doesn't mean that the manufacturer has not given us the facilities. It doesn't matter that Mobile doesn't have a facility. We don't know how to use it. The same thing with your subconscious mind. When we are born, the God has given so many powerful things inside us, but we don't know how to tap into it. Now in this workshop, what we do is normally tap the power of subconscious mind, resources from the subconscious mind. That is why it's called hidden resource activation. You tap into the hidden resource of the mind of your client and your own, and you can help yourself and you can heal others quickly and easily within seconds. Yes, my friend, many times within seconds. This is so powerful. Now this technique, normally certain techniques, when we use this, we take 5 to 8 sessions in hypnosis, 3 to 4 sessions in NLP. Now here you can do it in one session, short, simple session, many times within 5 to 10 minutes, you can easily do it. These techniques are so powerful. Now, if you use NLP and hypnosis for, say example, for the fear and phobia, if you use this for the fear and phobia, the NLP technique, you can remove a fear. Then what happens? Another fear come in. Then you need to run the same process again. But using HRA, we program subconscious mind and make everything automatically. So that second time that another thing comes, you don't need to go use the full process. Use this, ask the subconscious do it, use HRA technique, instantly within a few seconds, subconscious mind in the background, which is the automatic mind, will remove that problem instantly. So this is a very powerful technique, my friends. If you really want to help others people, you want to make a lot of money, and you want to have a very powerful tool with you, I use this technique in 3 sessions. In this workshop, I will teach you step by step what I do in 3 sessions, and you will be practicing in the workshop and learning it. At the end of the day, you can heal your clients if you have a client over phone, Zoom. This is a very powerful technique, my friend. Now, this workshop is happening in Hyderabad. It is happening in English this time because I've already done 4 workshops in Hindi. So there was a lot of demand about English workshop because the people wanted to come from Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Dubai, even Malaysia and Singapore. So now they don't know Hindi. So I'm doing this workshop in Hindi, and the workshop will be filled up very, very fast, my friend. Now, this workshop is a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. Number 1. Number 2, you'll have to do a lot of practice. The fee for this workshop, normally for this kind of workshop, people charge 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs rupees. But I'm not going to charge that. I want it goes to a lot of people, lot of healers, so you can start making more money and help other people. The fees will be a very nominal fees. You see below the link. If that price is available, click right now and register and join. Now, there is another thing. You will get a manual, handouts, plus you will get a very special bonus. So if you really want to master this technique called hidden resource activation, this is a chance for you, and may not happen in English again very quickly because I'll be traveling abroad to conduct this workshop. So my friend, if you really want to learn it, this is a chance for you and make more money. Please register right now. Click on the link below, register immediately, or any help you want, there is a number here. Call us, we'll guide you for the hotel, stay and other things. Will guide you. So register right now. And now important thing, many people come from outside of Hyderabad. If you're coming from outside Hyderabad, very important thing, my friend, come one day early. Don't try to reach early in the morning. You may miss a flight, you may be delayed, your train may be delayed, and you may be tired, you may not enjoy the workshop. Came one day early, and chances are if you come one day early, you can meet me in my office a day before of the workshop. We can have fun. So see you. So my friends, see you personally, and please take action right now, register right now. Thank you very much.